Gnocchi stuffed with Asiago cheese and porcellini, mushroom. Put the sauce, any sauce, what you want. You can put it straight away to the potato stuff. This is potato, guys. Call it gnocchi stuff. And so you can put any kind of sauce you want, and then just boil it for about 5 minutes, and add a little bit of water to make the sauce more, and then boil it for about 5 minutes. That's it. For today's videos, guys, magluto tayo ng chicken with patata. Baked chicken with patata. Yan. Ito po yung ating ingredients. Bell pepper. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng red chili. Then, white onion at saka garlic. So, dito natin lulutuin yung ating manok. First, ilagay muna natin yung ating patata or potato. Lagay lang natin dito ng paganyan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, ilagay natin yung ating white onion. At saka yung garlic. At syempre yung ating bell pepper. May green, red, at saka yellow. Lagay na natin yung ating mga sangkap. And then, ilagay natin yung ating manok sa taas. Guys, you can use chicken fillet if you want.